Hello, and as usual, I'm very impatient and I'm not waiting for the countdown to finish on this stream start thing countdown. How is everybody doing? There's some people here. I was actually expecting many people at this time of day because usually there aren't. Why is my frame rate so awful? Is it the villagers? I think it's the villagers. Let's look in this direction. Yeah, it's the village. No, something. Uh-oh. I have ruined something and I don't know what I ruined. It's not this. It's not the render distance. Why is my performance so awful today? Oh well. Well, we will live with that, but just be aware that my frame rate might actually drop a little bit. I was testing things last night and because I upgraded. Let's look into the camera when we're talking. I upgraded Borkaland. Because, by the way, and this is a huge warning and public service announcement. Ooh, and my voice is also too loud. I have ruined something with my computer today. If you have ever been using the lithium mod, and I mean ever, on any world, you definitely need to look at the latest release of lithium and read the changelog, the patch notes, because you need to do something very important because there is a bug in lithium, or there was a bug in lithium, and all your worlds that have ever been using lithium might not be upgradable to 118. Or actually, I did the necessary steps on Borkaland yesterday. I had maybe 70, 80, 90,000 chunks that were broken and that had to be fixed. So if you ever used lithium, so I did that last night, but I also was testing Borkaland and I actually noticed that I was getting a lot better. Like I was getting almost 300 FPS in my base, which is unusual there. Why is my frame rate so low today? Oh well, doesn't matter. We're gonna be bombing trenches today. Why is there a bucket there? Pick up the bucket. Oh, that was my thanks for watching bucket. Always need to pick those things up. Anyway, we're gonna be bombing trenches. Yeah, and my big problem with fixing my worlds is that like I have 26 world downloads that I need to double check if they are correct, and they are probably not correct. So I need to fix all those worlds, upload them again to Mediafire, update all the links in the video descriptions. That's just those worlds that I have published, and then I check like my single player worlds. Just in this Minecraft installation, I have multiple ones just for testing different things. I have 125 worlds that need to be fixed. That was before I was starting using my void script to organize my creative worlds. So I'm not as mad maybe as it seems. I might be, but for a while I was doing every single test I was testing was a new separate world. So some of those worlds contain like 20 blocks maybe. So it's probably not a big deal. Let's put that in there just in case. All right. Inventory management. Let me think. We need to test this. I'm not even gonna attempt this without actually... Which test should we use? Can we... No, this is not a good test world. This was just a quick test, I remember. I'm gonna accidentally delete something. Should we test it? We can test it here. But yeah, I will keep repeating that to people. Like, if you ever used lithium, you have to look at the patch notes because it's critical. Right, time. Time set day. Rule do daylight cycle false. Right. Rule do weather cycle false. There we go. Now it's gonna be less pain. We don't want the placement. Well, actually we do. We do want that placement, but we want it in a different spot. Let's see. Oh, I don't have... okay, I see. Let's load... the world... Oh, I don't know what the placement for the world eater is. So this is probably the wrong world to test this on. No, wait. I need to think. Ugh, I'm slurring. I need to think how we do this. Yes, I know I am being disorganized, but that's what being disorganized means. I have no idea what I meant there. There we go. I need to write down the placement here. Where are my notes? The world eater placements. Oh, okay, I had it written down wrong. I had it written down at 199, 87, and 7, and it's -8 and not 7. Okay, so everything was wrong in my notes. Oh, and it's... wait. Why is it... ah, no, okay, yeah, everything is right, everything is right. Okay, back to the testing world. And do this immediately. Get ourselves a stick, because we're gonna need that eventually. And what we need to do now is this thing. And we configure it to, what did I say, 199, 87, and -8. There we go. This looks good. And this was the bomber, and this should be in the middle of that trench, right? Yeah, it is in the middle of the trench. Okay, so we need the trench to go... where's the... actually, I don't care about the middle block of the trench. Hello, Space Eagle. Have you updated... I'm gonna repeat this for everybody who shows up on the stream. Have you updated your worlds with the lithium thing? You know about the lithium thing because we actually talked about it yesterday. Or at least you noticed my message. Have you fixed your worlds? I did Borkaland last night and it was a pain. Wait, my microphone is badly set up. Oh, Gdembon uploaded for the first time in like 6 months. Okay, that will have to be watched. What was it about? That's one corner. Okay, how do we do this? I need better blocks to mark things out. If you don't update to 118... well, I'm definitely gonna update to 118, because I don't understand the people who don't want to update, to be honest. The new world generation is bloody awesome. Why wouldn't you upgrade? It's like the best thing since sliced coffee. It's not just 118 snapshots. It's even 118. Because it is being like... I know that To Know To Name is saying that, oh no, this is just a bug in Minecraft. It's not. If they remove that code, it means that it could never have been legitimately generated. Probably. Maybe it was. Okay, maybe it's a bug. But I'm suspecting that's the way the saves were generated by Lithium couldn't ever be legitimately generated, so they just removed it. Now it's screwing over Lithium users. Right. So we can remove the World Eater now. Goodbye, World Eater. And this one, move to player. And how do we rotate this? Shit. Okay. There. We rotate it like that. But can I now? Yes. I don't understand. Like the hotkey for accessing the configuring schematic placement. I don't know how to force it to pick the right placement. It always confuses me. No. Updating the mod it's at least preventing it from generating the bad stuff in the future. But like you still need to do the upgrade step. Uh-oh. Do I remember what Y level this thing was at? I don't. Let's make sure that we know. No, not nothing. There we go. 89. That's what we decided 2 days ago. I was about to say yesterday, but yesterday I slacked off and it was nice to slack off. No, it's not before upgrading. You upgrade the mods and then you do the force up. You update the mod to the latest version and then you do the forced upgrade thing. We can make the trenches wider, and I don't mind spending the extra TNT on that. Where do we... Okay, I need to write this down. Three 18. We're just gonna test one of them, so I know. Oh, it's supposed to be 89, not 90. 89, 136. There we go. Don't need that anymore. Bam. Now, 1, 2. Here they will stick together, so 3 apart. Problem is that observer, but we can deal with that in a second. Bam. 1, 2, 3. Bam. 1, 2, 3. Bam. 1, 2, 3. How many will we need? 1, 2, 3. Because that's... I am not sure. Right, let's fix the observers while I'm thinking about that. The observers, oops, should be like this. Should be safe, right? Don't see any reason why it wouldn't be. Yeah, so now they're not gonna interfere with each other. For me, it was an extra pain in the ass to do the update because I have a very weird Docker setup for my server. 2, 3. Should I add this one? This one will be a pain. I'm gonna see if we can do it without this one. Everything is facing the same direction, right? Everybody should be on the same switch now. Ooh, they are being powered at the same time. Where's my cobblestone? Of course, we have to build this with cobblestone. This one is on, right? So nothing should change there. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Nothing should change here. Bum, bum, bum. Nothing should change here. How do we power these? Like that, like that, like that, and that one. Temporary power. There. Ugly, but it works. So, this is gonna blow itself up right here. So we will have to mine this away in the real world. Let's be careful about how much we leave. Let's take it from here. Actually, let's take it to all the way. Oh, and I need to set up the furnaces at this end. Completely forgot about that. To about here. Actually, to about here. Just to be safe. I will do this sanely later. 71. So let's do 87. It's not necessary to clear out this much. I'm just trying to be safe here for a second. I will do it manually, of course, later. Okay, this is good. And... oh, I don't have furnaces. So, what Y level are we here? I should probably take this. Yeah, it doesn't matter, but... 91... 334. 91, 334. Why are we having slow music today? Because I haven't changed playlists. But this is my favorite song, or one of my favorite songs, so it's gonna stay. Set block stone. Right, 91,334. This is 92,334. 91,334. It can just be lazy. Yeah, I mean, this is fine. Nothing should get stuck on anything. All right, remove this. I think this will be fine. Hello. Okay, everything seems safe. Let's log TPS. Huh? Okay. I think I fat fingered the level. Oh, this is gonna be nasty. Let's solve that. Is it blocks? Yes, it is blocks. You have a very good point. This should be... let's keep this quiet. Yeah, I will actually need to manually clear about this much, because look at how far the TNTs are bouncing up. This was a very, very... Like, this test was more important than I thought. Oh, no, it blew itself up. 2 of them are blown up. Right. Okay, yeah, that's good to know. Shit. I think is the correct terminology here. We have to be much more careful. I'm thinking, actually, I think the best option is to build them higher up. Run them for it, because like the TNTs are bouncing way more than if when there was just a single one. This one is completely blown up now. Oh, it lost an observer, it lost the TNT, it lost everything, and yeah. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I did not expect it to be this bad. I did expect it to be a little bit bad. So do we actually need to clear this manually, or do I just build them higher up and do one quick sweep? I mean, I know what the answer is. The answer is to build them higher up because it's more fun that way. Yeah, so we can build a line of furnaces. I also wanted to see if I could just lazily build the line of furnaces here without trying to precisely place them, and that we can. There's tons of water that we need to deal with. Okay, but that's good to know. There's water here, and that little bit of river that actually snuck into this area, which I was aware of. Okay, but now we know. So let's turn it. Well, stop them. So the question once again is, do I do this? No, I build them higher up. I'm gonna build them. Because they're 89 now, right? Should I... Actually, I want to speed this... Oh, it's the MSPT is quite bad, so I can't really speed this up too much anyway. Oh, come on. That water is gone. I want to fast forward this for a second, just to see how it will behave. Chicken and items. Okay, and cows. Let's kill chicken and cow. Bam. And pigs and sheep. And items. That will probably do something really bad. Okay. Oh, we're down to 4 now. So if I... okay. Oh, horses and iron golems are now taking my performance, but that's fine. Okay. Warp. Yeah, better. Still not perfect, but better. This stupid water here. And this stupid water here. And you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. And this, and this. There we go. And, oh, come on. All the seagrass. Or what it... Why is there seagrass in rivers, by the way? Just checking. There we go. Oh. And two of them are dead anyway, so this is a pointless test. I didn't have to do this, right? I just realized that I was doing something stupid. But they don't seem to be leaving that many blocks behind, so whatever is left behind, like this crap here, is probably just removable manually. But yeah, okay, now I know. We need to build them higher, at maybe at 100. Run them 2 or 3 times, and then build them lower. That's my conclusion here. And that's why we test. Really, that's why I test, because I don't feel I'm smart enough to figure things out on the first attempt. All right. Stop. Thank you. And stop blowing up. Thank you. There we go. Okay. 318 was the first placement. So 10 blocks higher up, or maybe no, even higher, 20 blocks higher up. Yeah, I am gonna, like, it doesn't really matter how high it is. I can leave the buckets here. Because we don't need them where we're going. I need 1 stack of that. A good amount of furnaces. Hello! Actually, more furnaces than that. Because furnaces are life. That should be enough. Bunch of cobblestone. More cobblestone. More cobblestone. How many of those did I build? Now I need to double check what I built. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 seems right. Oh, wait. Before I actually leave this place... Does it seem to be bombing out enough on this side? It's close. I mean, it's right on the edge. I might want to build another one. Nah, okay, we can clear that out manually. Because this is getting also way too close to this mountain. On the other hand, we're just gonna be blowing everything up anyway. Yeah, let's do another one. Just to be safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And I need more energetic music today. Just slightly. We need tons of sticky pistons. Well, it's not tons. Ooh, pistons are starting to become an issue. What did I say? 7. So 14 sticky pistons. I know I had... Oh, this is my slime chest. Right. It's 2 sticky pistons per machine, yeah, and it's like 3 observers per machine, so this should be fine. It's probably enough slime. Let's get a full stack just in case. Huh? Huh? What else did I need? Oh, yes. I know exactly what I needed. I needed lamps. That will be 14 of them. Is anything else missing? I don't think it is. Oh, my rockets are missing. Rockets are missing. Uh-oh, I think I need to make new rockets again. This could be a little bit painful. Ah, no, not bad. We'll do that later. Alright. Oh, corals, minecarts, rails. I forgot half of the stuff I need. As usual. Oh. That can go away. That can go away. That can go away. That can go away. Now the machine is safe. And I lost the coral because I'm an idiot. Oh. Bam, 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 bam. I need to get a silk touch pickaxe. I should remember that. So I can recycle the corals properly. And I forgot the TNTs as well. Okay. But we can pick that up when I'm picking up the minecarts later. It's fine. You seem to be a zombie. Ooh, am I wearing the fire suit? I am wearing the fire suit. Let's fix that too. There's stuff up there that I need to have a peek at later. I am really hurting myself. There was something here that I need. Ah, yes, the redstone lamp. What's up there? Looks like a big cave. Alright. Yeah, so this hill is a very nasty problem. That's why we that's why we want to build them as high as possible. So, what did I say was the placement here? 318. Oopsie. 318. 89 is the original. I'm just gonna place it there for now, but it needs to go higher. 136. But the rotation is wrong. Huh? Where is this? Ah, okay. Let's remove that placement and turn this one on. Yeah, the rotation is of course wrong. The rotation should be like this. And 20 blocks higher. What did you do to make to your worlds after upgrading to new lithium? I mean, it's all in the lithium instructions. You do the force upgrade thing. So in single player, let's just I probably won't do it, but in single player you go here, edit and optimize world, create, backup, and load. Right, so you do the optimized worlds in single player. On the server, you start the server with the flag force upgrade with camel casing. But how to upgrade the server is kind of well stated in the patch notes. Oh, we need to sleep. No, that doesn't. This doesn't just create a backup. It's much more than that. Oh, I built this too high. Okay, let's sleep. That's actually like if you do the optimized world, it basically reads all the chunks and then writes them again. So it reads and that solves the problem basically because it reads them with compatibility for old stuff and then writes them in a new way. Oh, I could have expressed that better, but that's basically what happens. This is my landing platform. Actually, let's... I didn't do it last time, but this could be an issue. Oh, no. We want this one actually here. We want this one here. Let's build this properly from the beginning. We don't need anything. Well, we don't need anything there, but we could have something there. This actually needs to be a furnace. And I didn't bring any repeaters anyway. Okay, so we have to go back. And I didn't bring 90% of the materials I'm gonna need. Let's just build up the scaffolding structure here. So 3 blocks apart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I said I'm gonna do the 7th one as well, just to be safe. Now we need furnaces. Here and an extra block here. Actually, this shouldn't matter if it's connected or not. It's gonna be easier to walk. Bam, bam, bam. There we go. Repeaters. We need tons of repeaters and we need walls. Okay, let's fetch that. Oopsie. Don't throw things away. Please. Thank you. No, it needs to go like this, like this, like this. No, not like this. Like, what am I doing? What are you doing, human? There we go. So the on-off switch should be somewhere in the middle, 1, 2, 3, so about here. Actually, where's the lever? Oh, there is the lever. Why did I build 13 of them when I just need 1? Everything seems to be correctly powered. Yeah, it is. Good. Oh, they're gonna be... It doesn't matter, because they all should run very, very simultaneously. Ooh, have I actually made a mistake here? Because if... No, none of them should get stuck. If any of them get stuck, then we have issues. No, then I can fix that anyway. This is good. I'm just gonna be paranoid here a little bit. Repeaters. repeaters. Walls. Walls? I don't have enough walls. That's too many. What else am I missing? Rails. Detector rails. Oh, why did I make so many detector rails? I think I already whined about that it was a mistake. There we go. And minecarts. We can fix the minecarts later. It's gonna be an issue anyway. All right. And by the way, I'm gonna keep repeating this today because it is such a critical issue. For anybody who doesn't know what Space Eagle was talking about and what I was mentioning on stream, you have to read the patch notes for lithium, or else it's a very serious or else. Or else you will lose your world. That's it. That's the or else. Or at least lose certain chunks in your world. I could say in which situation you will lose that, but that's basically like, yeah, just you will lose it. Read the patch notes, do what they say, or else. Will I remember how to build this flying machine? I probably should. I shouldn't be afraid of building flying machines manually. Yeah, okay. No, I already forgot. Gonna lose that slime block. Bam, bam. I already did it wrong. Yes. What's going on here then? Oh, I just didn't build this one at all. You know what? I'm gonna do something. And I'm already seeing that I probably don't have enough slime. And, come on, man. I already did it wrong, but okay, it's fine. We can place that one there, that. Come on, that, and that. Alright, and there is a slime in front of it. I don't remember what the rest of the slime looked like. It looked like this. And oh, Now this one will be like that. Oops. Ooh, picked it up. And if I finish the trenches today, which I really, really hope that I will, we still need to go get a lot of quartz. I think that the rest of the day will be just for crafting all the observers and pistons and stuff like that that I need. Just to see what we're missing at the end of the day, I guess. There we go, that's it. This one is wrong. Oh. I need to place the silly lamps here. Oh, that was bad planning. Shit. That one will fall and die, yeah. So, what else is missing? We're missing this piston. Okay, I think the fake sneaking is now just annoying me. What? And what should have happened when I said the fake sneaking is annoying me is that I should have fallen off. That would be justice. There we go, and we need the silly observer. There. And, there. There, and... Pam, 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 pam. Alright, that's looking good. What are we missing now? I think we're only missing the... Oh, no, we're missing that one on all of these. Can I reach? I can't. Oh, no. Shit. Okay, we need to dive for the missing observer. I don't know why I on this return station I added the lamp. I think it just made sense to me at the time because I was playing around with lamps here, but this is just a very, very strange return station anyway. Right, where did we lose the observer? Lamps are cool. Yeah. I mean, they're serving a very, very specific purpose on the machine. Because the lamp turns on after 4 ticks, and that is enough for this observer to activate this piston at a specific delay, which means that when the flying machine is flying normally, this observer won't do anything, or the pulse from this observer won't do anything. But if the flying machine runs into a wall, it will activate this sticky piston and just turn the machine around. So that's the purpose they're serving here, which definitely makes sense, but... yeah. Okay, where TNT now? We have to fetch TNT, but where TNT? TNT over there. It might be a little bit awkward to place. Let's get the coral and let's get the TNTs. I don't need more observers. Let's put them away. Did I place the walls correctly? I probably didn't. I think the cobblestone walls I still need. We will place them first, actually. What else did I need? Minecarts. Ding. For now. Won't need the lamps anymore. Trying to clean up my inventory. I need only half of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 more minecarts. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Why don't empty minecarts stack? I know why, but it annoys me. Breakfasts. Well, that's nice. No, I did place the walls. Okay. That was my brain thinking. Not sure if it made sense. Can we place it? We can't. So we will have to place the TNTs from this direction. There. Okay. There. There. And there. I think the corals will have to go in from the other side, though. This is looking good. And now we just need to push in the minecarts. I'll do it with slime, because why not? No, I was about to say it might have been a bad idea, but it's not a bad idea to do it from this direction. It doesn't matter. Can I make this... No, this machine cannot be self-assembling because the coral is in the wrong direction, right? Yeah. I should probably develop a version of this that is self-assembling. Actually, before we do anything, we need the location of this block, which is 120, 319. 120, 319. Oh, right, it's a bit simple. I don't even need that placement. I can just place the furnaces about here. 319, 120 up. Three. 1, 2, 3. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sounds about right. 100 50... what? 339, I mean. Bam, padam, bam. Oh, come on. Don't use another rocket. Yeah, don't use another rocket, he said, and smashes his face in that. 339, 337. Okay, so I definitely put in enough of the furnaces. Alright, alright, alright. One last thing left to do is to get a piston. Pistons. I don't need the blueprint anymore. I'm pretty sure I did it right. Which is also famous last words. And how do I power you? The answer is I don't. I can't remove this lever because that will be disaster. Okay, let's get some power. Shit. No, that won't update it. Oh, will powering this update the TNT? Okay, I wish I did this on purpose. See what has happened here? The detector rails have powered the pistons and pushed all the minecarts in at the same time. That's funny. Oh, that's funny. I like that. It was completely by accident. Nice. I wish I did this on purpose. Oh, I wish this was on purpose. Smooth. Thank you. First time chats. I mean, I like it's a happy little accident. Well, next time it won't be on accident, but this time it was on accident. Good discovery. We have placed in the furnaces. We have done everything right. Maybe. Except falling down from here, which is not done right. I just want to reach the bed. I accidentally impressed myself. I didn't, because I didn't do this. This was by accident. The problem I'm having right now is that the observers are going to be powering all the repeaters, and they're not really supposed to be powering all the repeaters. They're just supposed to be powering their own repeater. But on the other hand, if the minecarts are not, or if the bombers are not completely in sync, then we're kind of screwed anyway. So I think I will ignore that as a problem. Just let me pick up whatever pistons I dropped here. Oops. Hello, creeper. Oh, I'm still wearing my fire suit. I am not wearing my creeper suit. Oh, that's just slime. And we didn't get... Okay, maybe I didn't drop any pistons. Oh, maybe I didn't. Alright. The furnaces are in. Everything is in. This should be fine. And if not, we'll build just a new one. And the TNTs shouldn't be reaching the bottom. So this is fine. And we blew out the pumpkins. Everything is good. Oh, idiot. Well, not idiot, but now we need to clean out the water, because there is tons of water here that I need to deal with. That is fine, we can do it while the machines are running. And yes, my sound is turned all the way down, just for blocks, because of the tremendous noise from the TNTs. Probably need to run this a little bit more. Yeah, let's turn it on. Bam. Yeah, this part here is bad. Oh, come on. Go away. Oh, go away, I said. Is this too close? This wall might still be too close, and I still need to clear a lot of water on that side. Oh, it blew up as far as this? Oh, that's a lot of water to clear. Don't like that. The problem of having the sound very low is that I will not hear the TNTs when they're coming, and that could actually kill me. Especially since I'm wearing the fire suit now and I'm not wearing my good armor. Damn it. And I know the bombers are coming. Yes, and this bit is gonna get blown up completely. Oh, shit. It is really raced against time. Let's hope this was enough. Yeah, that happened and that happened. We lost one bit. Ooh, 2 bits of wall. Okay, we lost a lot of wall. Are the trenches within the perimeter or the extended? They are basically below the World Eater. Yeah, okay. Oh, I knew I would get hit. Oh. Damn it. So these are the bits where the World Eater will be lowered down. Oh, and if you mean if they're within the perimeter like that or extended, good question. I think they actually extend it. Not sure. That's a good question, and this might actually make this perimeter bigger than I was planning, which is not bad, right? It's not negative if you have a bigger perimeter. Like, bigger is better. Good question, actually. I have not verified this. I think they extend it. If I understood your question correctly, which I probably did. Right, I shouldn't be putting... where is the stupid water? Is all this water sources? Where are the stupid water sources here? Because I'm pretty sure that the World Eater itself is 272 by 272 blocks long. Although I will double check, because that's a very good point. Alright, more, and more trenching. Draining, I mean. Now, when I did this on Borkaland, half of the area I was clearing for the trenches was just water. It was brutally painful. Why did I pause between those two words there? I did. Okay, so this side is mostly done. Look at that water. I'm not gonna stop the World Eater because of that, or the bombers because of that. It doesn't really matter. It can be running. Hello, Steuer. I have noticed that you're the only person I am saying hello to by name. Don't know why. Just started doing it at some point. For everybody else, I just say hello or hi. It's weird. I have no good reason for it other than that's what I started doing a million years ago, and it happens. Ah! That was actually almost spontaneous. I hate water. Everybody hates water. Actually, don't hate water. Water is nice. Okay. More cobble. Ow. I got something in my eye. Is it night? I think it's night. Yeah, it's evening. Right, I'm just gonna see. Did we... Oh, we are still blowing this side up. Ugh. That bit of river is a lot of work. Okay, well, let's work on that. Oh, I was supposed to sleep. I wasn't supposed to leave this place. Oh, come on. Stupid squids. Oh. Ow, 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 ow. Don't push me out from here. No, oh, 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 don't want to. Yeah, it's... don't drown. I think I left one block inside the wall here. Yeah, I think we did remove everything that the bomber could catch on. Maybe not. I'll see. But I mean, there are still blocks on the other side here that the bombs are gonna land on, so I don't think we can do better. Maybe we can. Let's see. Why is there water here? Who is... oh. Yeah, stuff like this. Probably should... yeah, you might be right. I probably should just remove these sources here. But... there we go. You go away. You go away. What else is causing water sources here? Something around this area. Maybe you. There. Okay, the water here is gone. Kind of want to see how deep have we gone here already. Oh, okay. So we are already making flat floor. The brain stop thinking required. I might actually just stop the bomber now. No, I will. No. Doesn't matter. It's a stupid idea. I was thinking about stopping the bomber now and building it at the right height, because it's if you weren't here for the planning phase of the stream, it's built 20 blocks too high right now because when running the TNTs together like this, they bounce around much more. So I actually had the bomber blow itself up. So we're clearing space for bombing right now, basically. Okay, water source is gone here. Let's go here. Yeah, no, I'm gonna let it run properly. Let's be safe. There's no rush to get this done. He says during a speed walk. I mean, there is no rush because I think the rush will actually eventually slow everything down by creating a mistake and having the bombers blow themselves up. That's what I mean. This is done. That's clear, and I think that was the last water source here in this area. It is. I don't like being pushed around by water when the bombs are coming closer. And it still blew itself up here, but it wasn't much. Yeah, it was just one block. Okay, that's good. And the last problem area. You must be able to hear my mouse today. I can hear it in my headphones. Am I wrong? I'm frantically clicking today. Come on, reach. No, I couldn't reach that. Should be fine. Don't hear it. Interesting. Maybe, can I hear it through my headphones? I don't think so. My headphones are pretty good. Where is source? Do we have sources here? We do have sources there. No, we don't. Actually, that wasn't sources. Oh, that's interesting lag. Is it because the bombers turn? Ooh, I'm getting interesting lag when the bombers turn around. That's not a happy sign. Is the piston lag back? I mean, I just started this. Okay, this is clear. Oh, come on, let's get this part done. Please tell me. Yeah, that was the last water source. Hopefully. Ah, didn't do it in time. Or maybe I did. Maybe. Yeah. Are the bombs coming faster than the water is receding? That's the question. Might be good. Yeah, we're good. And yes, I know, like, people generally don't care about clicking mouses, or clicking keyboards in videos or streams, or very rarely. And it just adds character, so I shouldn't care, but there is sometimes some perfectionists in me that wants all these noises gone. Oh, is that new water? No, that's just water spreading. Yeah. Perfect. It's looking nice. Yeah, let's run this a few more times just to clear this bit out, and we can lower it down by 20 blocks. Because this thing needs to go down 20 blocks. Oh, wait, this is supposed to be 89. Yeah, it's supposed to be down there. Yeah, I heard about, like, people, like, wearing blankets on their heads or surrounding themselves with pillows to improve the echoes. I mean, like, to improve the echoes, I absolutely agree it should be done, because the echoes just make it harder to hear what she's saying. Like, I have a complete mess around me here. Like, I have blankets on the walls just to reduce the echoes from the walls. And I have, like, sound... what you call it? Soundproof... No, sound-resistant foam on my desk in front of me, because that reduces echo a lot. Sound muffling, yes, that's actually a good sound. A good sound word. Sound muffling, like, foam on the desk in front of me, but, like, I would definitely have to do much more work to get it perfect, but, like, I'm kind of okay with the levels I'm at right now. Because the levels of sound what's it called? It's not soundproofing. Sound treatment that I have done is basically alright for my budget. Oh, is that Obsidian? Did we... We did. We created Obsidian. I don't like Obsidian. It's not crystal. Okay, it's nice. Like I said, for my budget, it is good. Like I am happy with it. Because the step up from this levels of soundproofing or sound treatment, I shouldn't call it proofing because it's not proofing, it's sound treatment. It's basically somewhere around €1,000 is the next step to improve it. Video quality I am happy with. Although I want a better GPU because I'm dropping my FPS to very low sometimes, and I'm happy with that. Buckets. Let's get buckets. But I mean, you should always try to improve these things. If possible. Well, no, see, there is, like, I have to amplify my voice quite a lot, and sometimes you want to be able to speak quietly, but, like, in my videos, I'm on the edge of what's reasonable for how loud I am. And that is on purpose, because that actually, like, loudness and also the background music are there to hide, or not to hide the echoes, like, because the echoes by themselves are not a massive problem. The echoes just make it harder to hear what you're saying, and makes it harder to understand. So that's the thing I'm worried about. Oh, did I actually turn it off? I don't remember if I turned it off. I did. Okay. Let's get rid of that obsidian. So it's not about the difference, it's about, I think the professional term is dynamic range. I have to make everything loud, because otherwise you wouldn't understand it. Or, like, people wouldn't understand what I'm saying. That is, by the way, pro tip, if you're ever doing videos and having issues with sound quality or people not understanding what you're saying, just make it louder. That's it. That solves 90% of the problems. The rest is, of course, much more complicated than that, but yeah. No, you haven't noticed it because I make everything so loud. Oh, before I switch microphones to the one I'm using now, the echo was like, I wouldn't believe someone tell me they didn't hear an echo back then, because it was quite bad. Ouch. I'm on fire. Oh, that was with some enthusiasm today. Like, if back then someone told me they didn't hear an echo, I knew they were just being nice. Which is nice, but, like, when dealing with technical issues, sometimes we need to hear the truth. Works in real life too, of course. Speak louder. That's why people, English-speaking people, when they try to speak English to someone who doesn't speak English, they just speak louder. Do you understand me? I want, whatever, pizza, or... I'm trying to be a bad tourist and I don't know how. Oh, my coffee almost... yes, slower as well. My coffee is almost getting cold. I keep forgetting that this is not an evening stream and I can actually drink coffee right now. I forgot I had a coffee here. Oh no, it's almost cold. Oh, I should almost interrupt myself to make a better coffee. But my principle is that the coffee I have at home should be terrible. Because I need an excuse to leave home. Should I pick up some of this obsidian sometimes? In case I ever need obsidian for anything? Probably won't need obsidian for anything. No, what would I need obsidian for? I mean... But yeah, this is like, and I actually notice it's very common in people who try to start YouTube channels. They speak. I'm try. I don't even know if I can imitate this. Wait, let's try if I can imitate this. It's something like, "Hi, I want to go into my series. Oh, blah 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 blah. I'm talking very fast, and you don't understand what I'm saying because I'm saying it quietly and really fast. Slow down, improve your diction, and speak loud and clear." There, solved it. Solved 90% of YouTube's sound problems. Or YouTubers. YouTube doesn't have sound problems. On the videos do. On streams too, but on streams it doesn't really matter if you're perfectly understood or not. I could just slur and speak really fast and nobody would care as long as there is some voice talking about things that are happening on screen. I'm kind of bad at stream of consciousness though. Like just release the verbal diarrhea and see what comes out. Quite bad at it. Lava. It was a shallow pool. That's nice. $142 guys in 4.5 minutes. The problem is that most people have these kinds of verbal tics that they are not even aware of, and in general, people don't notice it at all. I had a discussion with I don't even remember what it was, but it was about the weird things that hermits do. And I apparently ruined, because like someone said like, oh, you should take inspiration by how like even when the hermits are messing up their videos, that means like you are allowed to mess up certain things in your videos. And I pointed it out like, yeah, I think it was like a discussion on Reddit like about a year ago, and I said, yeah, I like watching iJevin's videos because of how much he hums in his videos. Both him and Cub hum all the time. That was at the time I was very obsessed about my humming all the time. And apparently I just... no, wait, Jevin didn't hum. Cub hums and Jevin has very loud breathing. And I basically ruined the ability for whoever I was talking to watch Jevin's videos, because he is actually a very loud breather. And since I said it, that guy said that he can't watch Jevin anymore. Because the only thing he hears is breathing. And it might, like, it is a professional problem sometimes. Like, if you know something professionally, there are certain things you just can't watch, because it becomes almost too horrible to see the mistake that someone made. Like, if friend of a friend had this almost supernatural, but it was not supernatural, it was just a professional ability to always spot a... what is it called in English? Like when they have a boom microphone when recording a movie, and the microphone dips into the top of the screen, and you can see the microphone at the top of the screen. Apparently this happens in movies all the time. And that friend of the friend, like, we went and watched a movie. It's not a blooper, because this is actually not cut out of movies. They leave it in very often, and you just never look up there and you never notice. And basically, we were watching some relatively big Hollywood movie at someone's house, and that guy just kept pointing out, oh, microphone dip. I don't know what it's called. In Swedish, it's mikrofon dopp. And that's the terminology he was using. But he was like just repeating it. Like, and it was every 15 seconds. Like, oh, microphone there. Oh, microphone dipped. And he kept going on. And that guy can never ever enjoy a movie again. Because the only thing he'll ever see is this stupid microphone dipping into frame. Okay, my coffee was cold and horrible, but it was coffee. Mr. Lava Lava. By the way, I have a confession. I meant to make the next Borkaland yesterday. Instead, I just slacked off all day because just I couldn't be bothered. It is fun as a kind of a game, but it calls like if a movie requires immersion, then that just absolutely wrecks it. Let's see. Wait, my prediction is. What is my prediction? That this should be at level... the floor. I want to go measure the floor. We are 90 blocks higher up, so we should be at 26. I think. This should be at 26. Not even close. No, what am I thinking? 34? I don't know. I am being stupid now. No, 30... We're 18 blocks higher than we should be. What? Doesn't make sense. I'll have to verify that again. But we know that 89 is the correct placement. Never mind. So where this placement was 19 blocks higher up, and oh, that maybe makes sense. Maybe makes sense. I don't know. I'm being stupid now. Right, we need to stop these and dismantle them. Well, yeah, you can tell someone off when they're doing something silly like that while you're watching a movie, but other than punching them, some people don't stop. Imagine if we just needed to make a perimeter this high. That would be nice. Alright, thank you. What do we do now? We need to kill this thing. Okay, let's get pumpkins. I like scaffolding. I kept scaffolding on normal blocks, and I keep forgetting that the reason why I have the stupid pumpkins is because of scaffoldings. I wish I could push this down. It's giving me ideas. No, they will start walking forwards, right? Yeah, they will. No, it's too dangerous. And probably just slower than to rebuild it. Yeah. Let's not be silly here. Uh-oh. That didn't cause any issues. Why didn't it cause any issues? Why didn't the flying machine start walking? We did power this piston. Oh, okay. It's this piston that needs to be powered. Yeah, I'm gonna pick them up from the ground. I mean, the you are now breathing manually. I wish I ever went to a golf course because I know a way to ruin everybody's golf experience. I wish I cared about... Oh, shit. Remember all these components I had down there that I dropped? Well, goodbye components that I just dropped there because they just got blown up. But for golfers, apparently the funniest trick you can do is to ask them, do you breathe in or breathe out when you swing? It's apparently hilarious. Well, it's a little bit like... oh, I just lost the game. It's a little bit like the game. The only way to have this not ruin your life for you is to forget that it exists. I wonder how many people lost the game when I said that. Why are there squids here? Oh. Nobody lost the game? Oh, you don't know about the game. Okay. Interesting. I thought more people would know about the game and would know that they need to announce that they lost the game if they lost the game. Am I referencing memes that are too old? I didn't think this was too old. It was like about 10 years old. You refuse to play the game, fair enough. That makes sense. Right, so I shouldn't be playing around in this area because I'm wearing my fire suit right now. I should stop wearing the fire suit when I'm doing maintenance stuff like this. Let's just stop wearing the fire suit for now. I'm gonna forget and then I'm gonna jump into lava without the fire suit. Alright. all right. What do we have some observers here. Oh, we have that observer there. Couple of TNTs here. Did I miss anything? There's some slime there. Next to creepers and zombies. There was something in this area too that I remember seeing. Slime. Alright. Good recovery, I think. No, okay, we couldn't recover the lamps there. There should be some enchantments, like there is lots of this in modded Minecraft. And enchantments to increase your pickup range for stuff. I mean, some vacuum enchantment. So I could pick up these lamps even when I'm punching them out like this. And also some enchantment for reach, so you can reach much further than with your hand and pickaxe. Those are the two things I'm missing the most. Just as a quality of life when building. There's no reason for those things to not exist. I mean, there are other enchantments that are much more powerful than that. Yeah, that's just cobble. Yeah. Bum, ba-da-bum. The best thing about pumpkins, or maybe not the best thing, but one of the best things about the pumpkins is that you can just insta-axe them. Which one? This one. And right, I said I'm gonna scaffold with pumpkins and not with stupid cobblestone. What? Did Gdenbon move to Sweden? Why would he do that? He did? I should watch that video. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's interesting. I wonder what that means in practice for Minecraft. Actually, I wonder what that means for carpet mod. That's more important. Because generally, when people start a new job, their hobby projects die a horrible death, unfortunately. Is it going to focus on farms and not modding? Whatever that means. We can put the cobble down here. I mean, I've heard worse ideas. You probably, like, it's very likely that the modders understand your code much better than people working at the company. That's not unusual. Am I missing? I am not. Never mind, I was thinking if I was missing things, but I'm not. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 here somewhere. Looking good. Power levels looking good. Yeah, someone told me that he posted the video literally the moment I started the stream, so I haven't watched it yet. Spoiler alert. Doesn't matter. You can spoil as much as you wish. I mean, it's impossible to spoil news. And it's kind of interesting news for this kind of community anyway. Pam. Imagine someone said that. Oh, and I was about to have a horrible analogy here. No, I'm not even gonna expand on that thought because it went to a very bad place. Oopsie. Okay, we need to get more rockets. I think I am completely out of rockets now. Yeah. Mm. In the past, I would say good for him, but I am so jaded that, oh well, someone got a corporate job again. Although I think, like, from what I've seen this far, Mojang is probably much nicer than most developers in this area. But, oh, come on, stop falling off. Ah, have a nice stream. Thank you. But it's just another corporate gig. Oh, why? There's supposed to be a block there that I'm trying to step on a block that doesn't exist. How many times can I do it in a row? Should we do it again? No. Oh, yeah, it's because this is supposed to be the observer. Let's remove the stupid blueprint because it's confusing. Right, it's like that. And yeah, this... Okay, yeah, now I see. So... I already did that earlier today. Let's get the fake sneaking because I'm being silly. Am I out of pumpkins? I am out of pumpkins. Bam, bada, ba, ba, bam. Well, we don't know if they are good, by the way. We only know, like, the image they are projecting, which may or may not be true. Like, they are not bad at public relations, so you don't know how it is on the inside. Like, I knew a bunch of people in another game developer that had this image of being a very nice place to work, and, well, let's say that bad things happen at company, and suddenly everybody spoke out. And, yeah, turn out that the super nice developers weren't that super nice. So, let me be skeptical here. Oh, yes. This cannot actually be done like this. This we actually have to do up here. Yep. Never mind. So the image they have right now is good, but, yeah. Yeah, and that is always something. It is probably true. Like I am being a bitter old man here. Wait, I need to place... Why did I... Sorry, I need to cough. Ugh. That wasn't a cough because I'm losing my voice, that was a cough because something is stuck in my throat. Ugh. 1, 2, 3. Maybe we should attempt drinking today. That sometimes helps when something gets stuck in your throat. Bam, para bam, bam, para bam, and bam. Right. Is this thing repeating 2 songs over and over again? Because I heard this one a few minutes ago. Let's change playlists. Something more ambienty. Dun, dun. Wait, didn't I say that the early stream should... No, actually, this is like in the middle of the day. We should relax, calm down. There is no reason to have energetic stream right now. We can have an energetic music in the stream in the evening when I actually need it to wake up. Didn't... Oh, I didn't place things here. Dink, dink, dink. And I am missing one slime. Damn it, I lost one slime. What will I do with this loss? Which actually reminds me, and I actually need to do it right now. I haven't emptied my slime farm for a while. And it needs to be done so it doesn't overflow. Right. Good idea to do it with full inventory. I actually did it yesterday. Never mind, I completely forgot that I did it. We needed exactly one slime. Yeah, that was the thoughts I had. Oh, I lost one lamp too. I had in the beginning, oh, maybe I can pillar up everywhere. Maybe I can build ladders or scaffoldings everywhere. No, it's just stupid. I mean, without wings, this would take 10 times more time. I was very not sure about what I was doing in the beginning. And I mean, if I do it again, or when I do it again, I will probably make more mistakes. Like, not, like... And, or not make more mistakes, but learn a few more things that I have done wrong and that have to, why can't I speak suddenly? Learn some other things that have to be done differently. I had 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. Okay, let's not carry the gunpowder around. Sorry, I'm thinking for myself here, and I have the lever there. Okay. Yep. Yeah, going to the end, like even getting the shulker boxes was a good idea. I was thinking like, oh, I probably won't need shulker boxes. No, like even getting the shulker boxes is a good idea. Am I doing something stupid? I need to think if I'm doing something stupid right now. I don't think I am. No, I think this is good. This is good. Coral. Nah, the coral will come soon. I want to place the rest of the blocks first. Oh, like the... Have I missed all these lamps? No, I have missed one lamp. Okay, so we lost 2 lamps, not just one. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. And I don't remember, I think in the... No, in the intro video I had already made up my mind that I'm gonna build a world eater and not a carpet bomber. But I think just like... And I'm missing 1 TNT as well. Let's pick up the coral as well, because why not? Yeah. But I made up my mind if I should use a world eater or a bomber maybe 5 minutes before doing the intro video. Yes. Can I can't place it like that. Okay, now fake sneaking is just annoying me again. I think here, yes. And which one? This doesn't make sense. Did I build it all wrong? No, I didn't. Never mind. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And I lost observers as well. Yeah, these machines are becoming expensive in how much stuff I'm losing. Nope, one too many. We definitely need to go mining for quartz at some point. But basically, like, the whole making my mind about wings. Just give me a second. There we go. The big mistake I made in the beginning as well, or well, not mistake, but the thing I didn't realize or didn't remember was important is how important it is to have well-enchanted tools and well-enchanted armors. How much time I was wasting by having garbage tools and garbage armor. And by garbage armor, I mean, like, I kept dying, right? Right. Coral and TNT now. Can I place the coral from this direction? I don't think I can. No, I can't. There's no good angle. Maybe here? Maybe. The furnaces are to stop the machine, yep. Oh, that reminds me. Thank you for reminding me. I may not forget the furnaces at the other end. And yes, one big disadvantage, I think I already mentioned that before, but I'm gonna mention it again. One big disadvantage of movable block entities would be that the furnaces would not work anymore. I am okay with that because movable block entities would be worth it, but it's definitely a disadvantage. There. Okay, now we're not doing anything on this side. And oh, actually, I can place the infrastructure for the minecarts. That is okay. Let's place that one. These should be pumpkins. Ah, no. Makes sense in my head, but I will probably make some mistake there anyway. There we go. If you buy cheap, you buy twice. Exactly like that. Gnembon might add that. You mean movable block entities? Renewable sand with anvils? Oh, I wish they made renewable sand with some interesting game mechanics and not like drop for husks or some mob that spawns in a structure or villager trades. That would be boring. And I like, yeah, I've said it before. I really like the anvils because it's just different. It's just interesting. Right. What Y level are you? You are level 91. Yes, I placed everything right. I don't know if they will even let him work on the stuff that he has been touching before. It's very common for someone to get hired because they have some kind of relationship with a project, and then they get to work on something absolutely completely different. TNTing gravel into sand? Would it make sense from the point of view of Mojang to give more excuses for TNT duping? I don't know. I would think they would probably want to avoid as much TNT-based farms as possible because of the whole issue of TNT duping being pretty much, well, I wouldn't call it essential, but essential if you want to achieve certain things in the game. It doesn't smell right. Like, there should be a way to remove bedrock without TNT duping. There isn't, but there should be. Because now it has been, and what I mean by that is that removing bedrock has been so ingrained into technical Minecraft that removing the ability to remove bedrock would be probably a bad game design idea at this point. Like, not allowing it to ever happen from the beginning, that would be fine. What Y level did I say? I think I said 91, right? Let's pretend I said 91, and I'm gonna verify that I didn't lie. And I'm assuming that the exact same thing happened with mob farms, because mob farms are obviously not intentional. 339. Is this right? 339. 33991. Let me just remember this. It's not 3... Oh, god damn it. It's not 339. I'm looking at the wrong coordinate. No, it is. I am looking at the right coordinate. 339. 33991. So I am assuming that if mob farms were never possible... wait, 339. Okay, so we're... and 91. We're good. If mob farm were never possible from start, then nobody would notice that mob farms were missing, right? It's the absolute truism when I'm saying that, but that's true, right? And I'm sure that at some point they wanted to just kill mob farms, but then people were like, "No, this is awesome. Let's don't ruin everything. Blah blah blah. I hate you. Game developers always suck and remove the fun farms." And I'm assuming the exact same thing, same discussion then happened about iron farms. Don't know which ones were first, but it's like, oh no, and maybe infinite water sources probably were also a bug from the beginning. And cobble generators, all kinds of things like that were probably unintentional in the beginning and just happened, and then people started liking them, and they have to be considered now for every change going forward. And I'm assuming the exact same thing goes for bedrock breaking, and the fact that you need TNT duping for bedrock breaking, or for making perimeters for that matter, definitely needs to play into the choices they make in game design. Yeah, this is good. I lost that piston. That was bad. I pushed the minecart, but I think this piston held it in. I'm focusing right now. Oh, give me my piston back. Oops, pushed the minecart again, but I think we're good. Alright, this seems correct. At some point they wanted to remove them. What is them? I'm assuming mob farms. Any missing bits? No, this is looking good. Yeah, I think we should be fine to start this. Let's do it. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, I think I actually built this a block too low, because I just saw the TNTs blow up blocks between the bedrocks, and I definitely didn't want that to happen. We can see that on the other end. There is no lava. Oh, there is one loose block here. That's annoying. There's another loose block here. Yeah, I was afraid of that, but it's not too much, so I think that's clean-upable. Yes, but we are not idiots. We understand what our player base wants. Well, I don't know if he understands. Lots of things that I've heard him say, I just so centrally disagree with that I don't know. Like, I would like to believe I am right, but yeah. Like everybody wants to believe that they are right. Which year was that? Yeah, mob farms are item dupes in my opinion. Yeah. He also said, oh, I don't want Minecraft to become Factorio, right? He doesn't want people to chain farms together to build things. Guess who disagrees with that? Like, on a absolutely brutally fundamental level. 2014, yeah. Was it? No, I think it was him as well. That's why I'm building the redstone factory, right? It's not because it's somehow efficient and blah. It's because I just think it's fun, it's interesting, it's just cool. And the problem is that it is like, according to the main developers, that is absolutely against what Minecraft stands for. Like, you're supposed to be placing one block at a time. Well, my wall printer doesn't, and so my wall printer is definitely ruining Minecraft according to Minecraft. A wall printer shouldn't be possible. Well, I disagree, but I can't really argue with the developers of the game when they're saying that this is against the fundamental philosophy, like point one of the fundamental philosophy. Oh shit, I have a fire suit, right? Yeah, I shouldn't be doing this. So there's yeah. There is a very large disconnect between what I want and what is the official stance of the developers. But maybe maybe them hiring Dembon will shift the will shift the philosophy a little bit in another direction. Because it wasn't a stream just recently that someone said that sand shouldn't be renewable because you should be leaving scars on Earth. You should see in your world that, oh, I picked up all this sand to make things. Right? That was also this whole, like, this absolutely complete philosophical disconnect from what I want. I'm not gonna speak for others, but what I want and what Minecrafts want to do. And I'm saying what Minecraft wants to do because those are like the developers are deciding where everything is gonna head. Well, maybe them hiring Dembon will maybe shift the view slightly in the direction that I want. But on the other hand, I don't know. I know Gnembon hates TNT duping, so that might go away soon. Shouldn't remove that block. That was stupid. I didn't, but it was close. Also, I don't know if there is a chance that it will change with Gnembon, but there is also a chance that's, or something that I've seen very much in the past, is that new hires always they push the party line much harder than the veterans. So they are often this. I don't know. You can't know how in certain people will act, so I won't say or won't speculate what will happen, but it's very often happens that someone who is a vocal opponents of a certain things that the developer does, then they get hired and they suddenly are the biggest evangelist of what's going on. But hopefully we can hope. And I mean, there is not much to hope. Worst case, there are mods that are adding the functionality that people want. So who cares if it's not some vanilla purism? I'm not a fundamentalist. I shouldn't call it purism. I should remember to always call it vanilla fundamentalism. It's a much more fun connotation here. Buckets, yes, buckets. This requires buckets. Renewable clay, yeah. I mean, renewable clay is gonna be massive. Like it might be that much painful that I won't even do it. And by the way, since that thing is running right now, everything is safe. I'm gonna go hide inside my villager room. No. And we're gonna have an awkward stare-off. I'm not gonna hide in my villager room. It's too noisy. It's a silly place. It's too noisy. Soul Stare, I'll be back in a minute or two. Alright. Took a little bit longer because I had to replace the coffee I just got rid of. I don't need that sign anymore. That sign was very old. Right, what were we doing here? Buckets. Yes, I was getting buckets. Let's get rid of all this garbage. Yeah, I can pick this up later. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. And we can pick up the pumpkins later, but now there will be a lot of what? Oh, Brain, come on. Why is Brain bad today? Fire suits. Oh, this is not the fire suits. Fire, fire, fire. By the way, I need to make a screen. I need to remember this. I need to make a stream overlay that says like Soul Stare back in 5 minutes or 2 minutes or a minute or something like that. This is mostly done actually. Wow. Okay, so 1 bathroom break equals finished bomber. By the way, remember how I said that I would build both of the bombers and have them run at the same time? It's just like, it's unreasonable because it takes more time to build the bomber than to run it. Once again, bad time planning. Right, we created obsidian here because of this stupid... Oh, we created a lot of obsidian in this area. It was one single stupid water source. Hello, Creeper. Goodbye, Creeper. I am wearing the fire suit. It did stop, right? Yes, it did stop. All right. Oh, there's... Oh, another stupid creeper. Oh, come on. Really don't want that trouble right now. He's gonna land on my head, isn't he? Because he's just above here. Let's see what the damage is now. That's cow, that's not creeper. So, bunch of obsidian here, no big deal. Couple of obsidian there, no big deal. This lava spilling here is almost harmless. You know what we need? We need the air blueprint for this. Let's just make that one right now. I think I can do it here. Can I do it here? Maybe. Oh, did I already make it? Nothing 15 wide. That sounds about exactly what... Really? No, not... load schematics. Not there. Come on. Fat fingers. Fat fingers. Jesus. I didn't save it here. Nothing. Oh, I did save it. Never mind. Okay, we didn't need to make the blueprint because the blueprint already existed. So we need to turn this one on. North. Wow, why did I have caps lock on? There we go. Bam. Which direction does this nothing go? It goes... Okay, we need to sleep. Ah, coffee. You know what the coffee is, right? I want that block to be gone. How do I get rid of that? Okay, let's do it later. You know what a coffee is, right? What it's a bad joke, so I need to look into the camera when I'm doing it, of course. Let's pick that up. A cougher is a person who coughs. A coffee is the person who gets coughed at. There. I want this... Okay, no. I need to move upstairs because I don't want creepers falling on my head. Like that. Pretty much. Oh, the walls are cleaned out. It's just those silly blocks in the... Okay, yeah, so I made it way too wide on this side. Which is not a bad thing, but we have to be aware of that. And is it, like, it's not... Like, I'm gonna free cam this. It's not too awful... It's not too awfully wide on this side, but, like, this block is there just perfectly on the edge of what's reasonable. No, but this is good. So this... Okay, there's a bunch of loose blocks in the middle that weren't cleared, that one, and just a ton of lava. Oh, this, okay. So, note to self for the future, it actually makes sense to make these much wider than seems reasonable at first. And creepers falling on my head here, definitely gonna happen. Like, from inside here, maybe. A coffer is also a type of chest. Ha! Huh. Yeah, we're not gonna be blowing up on that side, so that doesn't matter. Let's see how bad it is down here. No, I can actually... maybe here. Come on. Yeah, there. Alright. No. No. What am I doing there? I mean, I don't need to clear that much. I just need to stop this lava from flowing. That's it. Stop overthinking this myself. Okay, and I didn't pick up buckets, so there. I hope my fire suit works. Well, it does work, but I have to eat. And yeah, there were lava sources here because we got obsidian. That should be clear. Oh, la la la. Gone. Die. Die. Die, lava. Die. It's German, so it's die Lava die. I'm assuming that lava is feminine, so it should be die, right? And I'm assuming it from the word ending with an A is often, but not always, a good way of determining if something is masculine or feminine in these kinds of languages. Yep, yep. I still wish I actually learned German properly. Wait, this will get blown up. So why am I clearing it? It's unnecessary. Like, remove this stupid blueprint. This needs bucketing. Let's get buckets. Yeah, there's so much bucketing here. Okay, I am doing, like, do not drink coffee and fly at the same time. This almost ended in a disaster. And I don't mean a disaster in the game, I meant disaster in real life. I was just about to spill coffee on my keyboard. That's why I'm moving blocks here manually, because my other hand is containing a coffee cup. I think I mentioned it on streams earlier. I've done 6 years of German in school, and it has been terrible because my teacher was awful. Like, the only thing we were doing was playing bingo with words. Are they... Oh, was this just a single layer, like, single layer lava lake? That seemed like it. Interesting. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, this definitely... Yeah, this was a single layer lava lake. Silly thing. Or maybe 2 layers, but, like, this was definitely not a deep lava lake. Yeah, that's it. Ow, 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 I'm on fire. I am still on fire. There's still an emergency. It's still going on, and it's still an emergency. Almost. Yeah, that was it. Kill obsidian. Yay! Someone knows the reference! I showed the reference to... Or I didn't show it, but I told people the reference on stream a couple of days ago. And you know that there is no video of that on YouTube? Space Eagle just found a recording of that thing as, like, some kind of alarm clock or whatever. Like, it was just going in a loop and very weirdly cut. But I haven't found the scene on YouTube at all. It's weird because everything else is on YouTube, but not that. Was his name Holly? Because this was the computer, right? And Holly, wasn't that the hologram dude? I don't remember. Damn it, I don't remember. I don't remember the series at all. I just read, like, that scene has been, like, etched into my brain because it's so bloody awesome. But I don't remember the details about, like, the characters in the show. Oh, Rimmer was the hologram. Yeah, you're right. Yes. I can fill in the holes later. This one we can ignore, yeah, because it's not... that one we have to bomb out. Oh. But didn't he have an H on his forehead? Or am I... No, he had an H on his forehead to indicate that he was a hologram. So that's maybe that was... I was thinking about the name Holy. And it's like it's an old series. Was it like... Was it from the 80s or was it... maybe it was 90s, but I think like it might have been actually from the 80s. Hello, slimes. Alright, let's deal with this. I can't click it. I can't even get near to this. Yeah. So the narrow trenches, that was much easier to do certain parts of it using cobblestone. The wide trenches, like the lava ends up sometimes completely in the middle, like here. So this is where the buckets are gonna be spent, I think. Which is okay. But I predicted right. Like, the wide trenches don't take much more time than the narrow trenches. Oh, well, famous last words. I don't know. Wait, which one is this? This is the east one. I need to check my notes. Which one had the more... Oh, yeah, the east one had the less lava. And the west one has the about twice as much lava as this one. So, famous last words. But the other one we're gonna do this evening, I'm as soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna eat some lunch. And we're gonna end. I think it's a good idea, like especially on weekends, to split it up into 2 streams. I could be wrong, maybe there is some professional streamer thing that's like, oh no, you must stream in one continuous stream because algorithm and people's attention spans and blah 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 blah. Fine. Yes, his deadpan delivery is because what happened actually, so what happened on that stream, I think it was 3 days ago or 4 days ago, when I was doing the first trench, basically, I went into lava and I said something like, ouch, I'm on fire, or something like that. Not even, like, I wasn't even trying to be deadpan, it just ended up sounding like that. Like, super non-exciting, like, ouch, I am dying, I'm on fire, or something like that. And then I remembered, there's an emergency. There's an emergency going on. It's still going on, and it's still an emergency. Except much more deadpan and much, much better. I think... Is this one done, actually? Okay, let's assume it is done. Does this one need to go? No, it doesn't. That one needs a little bit of a help, but not much. Yeah, we can just close this one off with a little bit of cobblestone. There we go, done. Now that one needs to go somehow. Didn't he die? And that's why he was replaced? I think it was something like that. One of the actors I remember, I think, died. I could be wrong. Like I said, like I haven't seen Red Dwarf since the 90s. And I'm pretty sure one of the actors died. Well, he's saying that, but yeah. I can say that... oh, he's still alive. Okay, fair enough. Someone died. Maybe I'm completely wrong. Nembon is saying that, but like I've seen people get corporate jobs and that were somewhat related to their open source projects and then just completely vanish from the face of the earth. I mean, okay, what I'm trying to say is that I lost a lot of friends to Google. That's what I'm trying to say. So maybe it was just Google that has been causing this. Actually, no, Amazon has been also causing this. I lost a friend to Amazon once. So that's why I'm worried. On the other hand, I was wrong about Jelly Squid last year, right? When about this time of year, I said, or July last year, I said, oh, Jelly Squid got a new job, Sodium is dead, and Sodium didn't die. So, we have that. I am very happy to be wrong about it. What do I code? Code. Anything that needs to be written. I'm like, specialization is for ants. I've done a lot of things. Like what I coded that I lost people to Google. I was a lot into operating system development. Let's just leave it at that. Haven't done that for almost 10 years now. Ah, diamonds! Diamonds! Yay, we're getting diamonds! And diamonds. Want to become famous. Want to become banned. Ha! I was I was faster again. Oh, rendering glitches galore. I might actually need to reload this world in a second. I mean, I don't think the bots mind being banned. I think it's part of their business strategy to get banned. I shouldn't be filling out these holes, but I'm doing it because it just feels like a good idea at a time. Do we need to deal with this? Now I'm not sure. No, this one we already checked. It's fine. Bloody slimes. Die. 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 I might have gotten carried away there. Right, deadpan, deadpan. Die, die, die. No, I can't do it. I hate slimes too much, and I can't be deadpan when murdering slimes. Oh, yes, I'm wearing the fire suit, so even the small slimes can actually hurt me, I just realized. And they did. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Who actually falls for those? I suspect, to be honest, buying subscriptions and buying likes and buying clicks actually works. And I'm not gonna say that I am completely sure, but I suspect a lot of the people who are big YouTubers and big on Twitch definitely bought subscription and likes in the beginning. I've even heard people admit that they wouldn't be as big as they are now if they hadn't bought promotion. Like, they calling it promotion, but it's basically buying clicks. I mean, they wouldn't be selling it if it didn't work. Because they would run out of... on the other hand, now maybe there are so many kids that it's possible that there are enough, let's say, new people they can scam. If it was a scam, there are enough new people they could scam every week, I guess. But I suspect it actually works. Sorry about fiddling with the microphone, but it had to be done because my back started hurting and I had to adjust how I sit. Which reminds me, I probably need to buy a new chair soon. These chairs are supposed to last 10-15 years. I worn one out in 4. Oh, buckets. $10K channel points. So, should I do something about the channel points? Should I make something funny with channel points? Because I don't know. I have no ideas. I am not very creative when it comes to these things. I know Boyan had... you could order a hit on someone with channel points, which was funny. It's like channel points are like an alternative currency on Twitch, on a certain channel. Slimes are stupid. It's not just the more you watch. If you push a button, sometimes you get more points. Because, you know, we need to encourage people. Actually, it probably makes sense. Because it kind of shows Twitch engagement. And engagement is a good measure for if people like something or if they're just watching it because they're bots. On the other hand, I suspect bots are definitely pushing that button more often than real humans. Never mind, I don't know. I don't know what that button is good for, actually. Yes, foods I actually need to arrange soon. I'm getting hungry. I haven't had lunch today just yet. Oh, that was all the buckets. But we're gonna finish this thing, and yeah, I'm gonna go for lunch, and we're gonna continue this evening. So see you later, Mr. Morbrangil. I still need to know how to pronounce your name. Although mispronouncing is also fun. Is it Gil or Jill? Dutch. Are you sure? I mean, I know where he's from, and it's definitely not Dutch. Or definitely not Netherlands. Ha! Won't look at me! Knowing about geography, and I call it the Netherlands and not Holland. Ha! Oh, you are Dutch. Okay, fair enough. But he's definitely not Dutch. I know that. I think it was, yeah, it was when I was streaming during New Year's Eve. And I accidentally doxed him by figuring out his time zone. Okay, I'm gonna try something. Try something. Okay, that was an unnecessary word there, but it functioned anyway. Right. Hold on to your hats. Yeah, it is buggy when like fast right click is very buggy. When bucketing lava. Even in single player. Oh. No, I should turn that off. Ah! Oh, was that the confusion? Yes, I was talking about Mr. Morgman Gilles or Jules. Gilles Gil? Something like that. I wasn't talking about Jules Bardmans. I think I understand. It wasn't probably correctly pronounced, but close enough. I kind of made it French. Fast right click. I mean, it is faster, but it is buggier. Yes, that I can see is definitely Dutch. I think it's the double. Oh, come on. I need to turn the fast right click off sometimes. Yes. Not liking this. What was I saying? I started saying something and then I got distracted by lava. Yes, the double A kinda implies Dutch to me. Don't know why. It's not. Well, it's actually. Is it common? I don't know. Don't know enough about languages. I wish I did. I wish I had a lifetime extra so I could study languages. That's how you should, like, have your life. Like, first have just one lifetime where you're studying interesting things, including languages, maybe like 50 years of studying, and after that you can live your life, like, in a much more interesting way. Ow, ow, ow. Hey, the ow, ow, ow are supposed to be deadpan. That wasn't deadpan, that was actually me being scared. Come on. Die, die, die. Because I was about to say that I had a friend who had the double A, who was Dutch, but then I realized that he wasn't Dutch, he was South African. Same thing, pretty much, in that case at least, but yeah. Just don't tell anybody from Netherlands or South Africa that I said that. This didn't happen. You didn't hear anything. Oh, knight. Oh, Belgian. Same thing. I've been just expecting everybody to unsubscribe any minute with all these national stereotypes. Or rather, national hatreds. Because I know that Belgians hate being called Dutch. Not all of them. I mean, it's okay to make fun. Like, certain countries are okay to make fun of. And it's Germany, Belgium, Netherlands you can make fun of mostly. Sweden, Finland you can definitely make fun of. Norway, Denmark, those are all okay. Go a little bit beyond that and it goes from good fun to racism. Flemish. Fair enough. Okay, I'm gonna do my terrible joke. You know the difference between a French kiss and a Belgian kiss? It's the same, except the Belgian has a little bit more phlegm. It's a horrible, horrible, horrible joke, but I for some reason I find it funny. Oh yeah, Germans are the best at making fun of themselves. Let's fill this in. Oh, this is looking good. So yeah, the first narrow trench took me about 4 hours, I think. The second narrow trench was about 2 hours, plus some change. Now this wide trench number 1 was 3 hours. I'm hoping we can do the next one in 3 hours too. Hey, this is good. This is progress. Which means that unless I need to... I'm gonna, like, at the end of the second stream today, I'm gonna check how much materials I need. But we might end up actually building the World Eater tomorrow. In worst case, I will probably just, well, pretty much, not AFK, but yeah. Wait here and gather materials. Right, yeah, I don't need to clear this, I just need to cover this up. Actually, yeah, okay, let's check with the blueprints. This needs to be blown up. I just need to see if there is any lava that still needs to be removing in the purple area. Oh, this is laggy. Rendering a large blueprint kinda sucks. Yeah, it's those blocks that need to go away. Everything else is looking good. Let's just make a flyby here. Can I try to remove these? Ah, shit. Now. Why is this... Why are the bats frozen? Because they're in the blueprint. Okay, yeah, fine. There was something behind me, I could hear it. Where were the bad blocks? There is a bad block. Okay, let's try to land on these, because they are just really annoying me. Nope, missed that one. Oh, there's 2 blocks here. I can land on 2 blocks. I wish I was better at flying. Oh, last rocket. I probably won't need the buckets anymore, but let's see. Let's see. Let's start this thing. It would be nice to be able to shift the dupers by 1 block to the side, somehow. Not exactly sure if this is easily doable with this design. But maybe shift them once and then shift them once again so that they could definitely get rid of all the loose blocks. Let's see where the loose blocks are. Oh no, this is too laggy. I don't think I can fly in this environment. Pam para pam pam. There are loose blocks here. Perfect. This one is spilling. We kind of knew that would happen. It's fine. I can deal with that. Yeah, because the TNTs are now definitely flying past those blocks and will never hit them. Bam, 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 bam. Did they turn around? Yeah, they did. Good. This is... Yeah, it's definitely enough. I don't need to run it again. I was thinking if I need to run it again, but no, this was very much enough. Oh, what happened to the sound? Something happened to the sound here. I could even hear that it sounded weird in my head. Not in my head, in my headphones. Yes, the voice is in my head, my own. That I can hear. Ow, ow, ow. That's gonna end badly. Come on, stupid lava. Well, stop spilling, silly. I saw diamonds here. I want to pick them up. Did I pick them up? No. Am I blind? Am I confused? I am confused. I saw diamonds here. Did I cover them up? Yeah. Alright. Thank you, diamonds. Anarchy. I mean, I don't need diamonds, right? There's no reason for me to pick them up. I just thought it would be amusing to do that. Imagine someone just pops into the stream for the first time and sees me doing that. It does make sense, trust me. There is no reason for me to have diamonds in this world anymore. Land on... Ouch. Land on this. And... clear this. Okay. We're done. No. Okay, this spillage, I kind of want to contain this spillage a little bit better. And by a little bit better, I mean just... Oh, stupid slimes. Ouch, I'm on fire. Now creepers are spawning down here because I forgot to sleep. But I think we are done for today because that was... You just got a German ad. I think Twitch has been telling me that I should be running ad breaks because reasons, and I'm not doing that. Anyway, I'm gonna get something to eat, and we're gonna continue this with the next trench in about 3 hours-ish. Yeah, I'm gonna start at around 6 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock now, so about like that, but I must eat, and I need to stretch my legs and stuff like that. So... Wait a minute, I had a lava bucket, and I'm not gonna pour it on my feet, even though it would be amusing. I'm gonna see you later. It's the end for now. Bye for now. I said see you later in the wrong... Let's pretend I made this outro in the right order. Later, see ya, etc. 3 hours. Bye. And yeah, like the next thing I'm gonna do is gonna be streaming, not recording, so it doesn't matter if I turn my microphone off or on, but well, like it's now a thing now that I'm doing every stream. Yes, the microphone is still on. Goodbye.